What up, LK Mafia? It's your boy Artofkickz. It's just like that. We back with another one. Alright, y'all. So, y'all been asking me to do one of these reactions. I feel like maybe I've done one before, but y'all know I react to the car crashes, which are always unfortunate, but oddly enough entertaining. Shouldn't be, but they are. But and then we got these airplane crashes here. This is definitely something that I won't ever think is entertaining, because this is horrifying. I mean, car crashes happen more often. You're more likely to get seriously injured or even die from a car accident than you are from an airplane crash. But nonetheless, you'll never want to think about an airplane falling freaking thousands and tens of thousands of feet out the sky. What? Nah. So we about to watch this. This is a long video. I'm just gonna shut up and let it play. Let's go. Name of this video is not showing up on my screen at all for some reason. That's weird. Don't know what's happening. Just gonna let it play. Oh, what? Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. Just fell straight out the sky, landed in the water. I would rather land in water than on land, but my likelihood of crashing in the dang on water and surviving is still slim to none because I can't swim. Woo-hoo-wee! Whoa, not me. I couldn't imagine driving on the highway and you see this sight. Oh my God. Ooh, oh, it hit the car too, and oh my God, that car was in the wrong place at the right time. It didn't know what hit him. Whoosh. That's insane. To be driving on the highway and be like, I got in a car accident. What happened? I got hit by an airplane. What? Does the insurance even cover that? I think he's out of luck. I think he's out of luck. He ain't gonna be able to get that car fixed. He gotta get a new car. His insurance is screwed. Woo! Airplanes just landing on trees, bro. Whoa! And then it goes up in a big ball of flame. That's insane. Look at this. Airplane did a cartwheel off a tree, crash landed. I feel like the flyer might have been safe on that. He might have been okay. But this right here look like it's about to hit these freaking telephone lines. Oh, and it did. Ooh wee! Oh my goodness. That is horrific. Look, man. I just started flying, man. I flew for the first time like literally 3 years ago. For my 30th birthday. I flew for the first time. I used to be so terrified of planes, man. I'm like, how the heck do these big old heavy things with all these big old fat people, I mean me, in them, how do they stay in the air? Something ain't right, so I don't trust it. My mom had that same logic and theory too about them, so she never liked the flu. She flew once. She went on a field trip in school. It was to go and fly for the first time for a bunch of kids that had never done it, and they literally took him on the airplane, took him up, and they brought him back down. She was like, nope, not me. Never again. So, like, it took me a long time before I started flying. Now I have a love-hate relationship with it. That thing is huge. Oh, no. Oh, no. What happened? What happened? Why did it go down? Did the freaking flylet, I can't talk today. Did the pilot, he flew it, so maybe you can call him a flylet. Did the pilot just like pass out and just, man. Woohoo! That was a bad airplane. It wasn't in good shape. It needed to be fixed. Nobody inspected it, or maybe they didn't do it right.
Flopped into the water.
Oh my God. That was so aggressive.
Lost power during a turn and couldn't straighten up in time to avoid him.
That was like full speed into the water. Oh my gosh. Oh, Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't think they survived that. I hope they did. I hope everybody survived. I hope they all survive. I don't. Oh no. He's trying to avoid. No. Hey, it didn't. That wasn't too bad of a crash. Dude, you better turn your. Ooh, he going to dive through straight. No. They dove head first into the water, man. Hey, do I look better on this side? Pow. Do y'all like that more? How do I flip myself? Flip it. We're gonna try this. Look at this mess. Nobody cares that the plane is a little bit low. It's kind of a normal thing, I guess. Is that what? Nah, it's not. Plane's turning, but kind of. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my God! Why? Why? Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh no! It looks like it's happening so slow, but no, it's happening so fast. Oh my goodness! Oh my! I hope they survive. I hope they survive. That doesn't look survivable. That's insane. Oh my goodness. This is not okay. I hate this. This is not okay. I pray for all the people. Look at that. That looked like a 747 going up in flames. Oh my goodness. I pray for everybody in their family.
She's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker sitting on top of the world.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It's all in flame. Go help them. Please go help them. Is that a jet? Oh my God. Oh, it had to land. Oh my God. 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 That's the front of the plane. I'm over here just imagining like the pilot's in there. And the front of the plane, I can't even talk. Plane detaches and rolls underneath the airplane. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Like it's a toy or something. Now it's just sliding across the sand. I bet that slide felt like it lasted forever for those people. Oh my gosh. That's the one we just saw. Woo! That jet took it off. And it did not take off straight at all. Yo, that thing look like it's struggling to get up. Oh no, it don't supposed to go straight like that. It's flipping. Oh, I would be terrified. Oh. Oh. Y'all, I feel like I'm watching people lose their lives, man. This is insane. This video's too long. We're gonna do a part 2, man. We're only 5 minutes in. We still got another 15 minutes to go. We're gonna do a part 2, man. I'm gonna go halfway through this video, but gosh, this is insane. Ooh. That didn't look too bad. Oh, we got a helicopter. That looked like a search and rescue helicopter. What's happening? They're like people trying to get on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, you might want to be grateful that you didn't get on. Oh. They're cliffside. Oh my goodness. Think about the story that he has to tell, though. It's like, yo, they came to rescue us. We were on the cliff of a mountain, and something happened. A gust of wind came through. I was trying to get on the helicopter. I couldn't get on, and the helicopter spun out and it crashed right on the side of the mountain. Luckily, I didn't make it on board, but I hope they're okay. I feel like they might have been all right from that crash. At least the helicopter didn't fall. Ooh, it went up in flames. No. That's never, ever a good thing. It's like it decreases the chances of survival when the airplane goes up in flames like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. It just dropped straight out the sky. Look at all the flames, man. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? You just in the airplane, drop, hit the ground, and then engulfed in flames. Oh my goodness. Woo. We might have to do another try not to laugh challenge after this one, because this is sad. Oh no, it's too low. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. They losing control. They done lost control of the plane. That's another thing that's so scary. Is like, it seems like if anything goes wrong with airplanes, it's just catastrophic. Don't you dare pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Please pull up, please pull up. Ooh. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh. The moment it flattened out, the speed that it hit the ground. Oh my goodness. This is insane to see. Yo, this is that same crash that we saw twice before, but this is the aftermath. Oh my God. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Woo-wee. He's on the water. It's supposed to be on the water. It's one of those kind of planes. That's so fascinating to me. Planes that can get up off, you can land them on the water and they can get up off the water and fly in the air and then land back down on water. That is so fascinating. But planes that don't supposed to be, and then now you have all these people's lives. Listen, I hope and pray that any and everyone that is watching, oh look, they about to crash? Woo. Damn. But like I was saying, I hope and pray that any and everyone that's watching my videos never, ever get into a airplane crash or incident or rough landing, nothing. Water landing, anything. It's so terrifying. Look at this. No, my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get out, get out, get out. Please. Just like that other one where it flattened out. As soon as it got flat, full speed into the ground. Hundreds and hundreds of miles an hour. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's the last one we're going to see, you guys. And then we'll do part 2. Because like I said, this is so long. Then again, should we keep rolling? We'll keep rolling. How about that? We'll watch the rest of the video. I'm just not gonna pause anymore. I'll just talk. He's doing tricks. Oh my God, they can tell. Oh my God. Oh my God. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Could you imagine? You're not paying attention to how close you are to the ground. You're trying to correct your spins, doing them tricks and stuff. Whoo! Whoo, whoo, whoo. I just remembered. I know I said I wasn't gonna pause anymore, but I just remembered there was a few years ago, there was a airplane stunt show that happened here in Atlanta. It was off of Claremont, that airport that's over there, that little small private airport. And there was a little show. I was watching it. I was outside. I wasn't at the actual event, but I was outside the airplanes. You can see them in the air. And I saw the airplanes, and I saw one of them, and I was like, I don't think that airplane is gonna come back up. I don't think that airplane, because they were doing stunts, but they were doing the exact same maneuvers, and they're spinning, flipping in the air. And I remember seeing the airplane. I'm like, yo, something seems off about one of the airplanes. And long and behold, that airplane did crash. People that were with me, we were so far, at a distance, and they didn't think that it happened. I'm like, that airplane didn't come up. They're like, maybe it just got down real low, or maybe it was getting ready to land. I'm like, no, I don't think that airplane came up. Later on, we heard on the news that airplane did crash and that the pilot did pass. Man, I just remembered that I have witnessed something like this. Crazy. Oh, they hit each other. Oh my God. I hope there's people that can go out there in that water and get to them super quick. Oh my God. Somebody go help him. Somebody go help him. Please, please get there. I'm so confused. Was this the same thing? Was this person supposed to be the one to get in the water and go and help the guys that hit each other and crash into the water, and then he ended up crashing trying to land in the water? I'm so confused. Oh, y'all better run. Get away, get away, get away. That's insane. It's a helicopter. Oh, wow. So lucky. Oh, wow. That's crazy. And it slid down it. Oh, my goodness. That's one of those military helicopters. And it hit whatever. What did it hit? It hit that thing, right? On the top of this building, because it's sliding down it now. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's dropping so fast. He pulled up and oh. Oh, no. Pull up, pull up. Oh. Oh, no.
A little strange.
This is what we saw. He saved himself. Luckily, saved himself. Ended up stopping right there. Boom. Boom. No one's hurt. Thank God. That big plane looked too low to be... It looked too big to be that low. What is it trying to do? Oh my gosh. All them flames. That's, ooh. Poor people. Poor people. Oh my goodness. Is this the same one? Oh my. I swear it's like you don't know how low to the ground. I mean, it's like they don't know how low to the ground they be. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Whew. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's a helicopter too? Oh Lord. Whew. Oh no, oh no. A military helicopter. Spinning out, spinning out. Dangerous on so many levels. They go to blades. Ooh, they all tilt over. Ooh. The blades would cut you in half, man. Helicopter blades, woo.
It used up 2/3 of the runway without leaving the ground. There was a sigh of relief when it finally got airborne, but it became clear this was no routine takeoff.
Oh man, maybe the wind. Yo, it can't lift up. It can't lift up.
It appears the propeller dug into the ground, flipping the plane up.
Oh my Lord. Oh no. Oh no. Bad. Oh my God. Woo! Bad weather conditions. That is so scary. What? How did that happen? The tail of that helicopter came off. They both crashed. Maybe the rear helicopter hit that helicopter. It's going nose first. Oh Lord. Oh no. Yeah, I don't think they survived that. Oh man, it's going to flip straight up in the air and it's losing pieces and parts. I think maybe the pilot ejected. Yep, I see him right there. Ooh, thank God he got out. Woo! That plane cannot get off the ground for nothing. Scraping by the whole time. Bro, you need to try to land that sucker. Oof, not like that. Ooh, not like that. Ooh. Ooh, I hope you're alright. Ooh, I hope you're alright. Yo, it amazes me that there were airplanes back in the day before we had HD TV and like flat screens and like good quality footage and stuff. You know what I'm saying? There were airplanes in the air. That's crazy to me. Fighter jets flying around and stuff. That is crazy to me. Got a copper. Whoa! How it landed and then just flip up like that? Oh my God! Hey, whoo! Thank God. That's crazy how fast that thing shoots them out of there, man. But yo, he knew something was up and that he wasn't gonna be able to save himself. It's like the level or the speed that you have to be a thinker at. It's crazy. It's like, oh, this ain't right. This ain't right. I'm out. I'm out. And then it pushes them away from the plane too. It was 2 pilots were there, or at least 2 people in there. It's crazy. Crazy how quick it shoots them out of there. Shoot. Shoot. Oh my God! Did they even pull their fuck? What are they called? What are they called? The parachutes? Did they pull the parachutes quick enough? Because they look like they were coming down pretty quick. Yeah, I think they did. That's crazy. Oof. See, that's what I'm talking about. An airplane with old school footage. Black and white. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Woo. I pray that none of us ever get into a car crash, airplane crash, boat crash, nothing that will hurt us permanently or take our lives or anything. Woo! That was crazy. Yeah, I gotta watch something funny now. I'm gonna see if I can find something funny for us to look at now, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Y'all like this reaction, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. As always, the link to the rich gonna be down. Chris Boss below. If you haven't already, make sure you follow your boy on the gram, man, Twitter at Artofkickz, and I will see you guys tonight in the live stream. Don't forget. Till next